What's up, you guys? Last video of the unboxing. 5 more Funko Pop mystery boxes anime from Undiscovered Realm. Got one of the top hits, or one of the picture pops. Just hoping that we get another one, maybe. Not gonna be greedy because I wasn't expecting to get anything, honestly. Ooh, I almost missed my finger. As long as I can cut that middle piece of tape, that should be okay. What we got? What we got? Ryuku from My Hero. She's a pretty cool pop. I like her little face, whatever it is, mask, I guess.
Her little face.
Face mask? I don't know. All right. Next box. At this point, I really don't think I'm gonna get that Vegeta or any DBZ pops, period, which I was hoping to get at least one. I was thinking I was gonna get at least one. But, let's see. What we got? Oh, another Naruto pop. Cool. Another Naruto pop. We got Kotetsu Hagane. Alright. That's a cool pop. What we got? What we got? What we got? A One Piece. Crocodile.
He's new.
Yeah, he's new. That's cool. Honestly, I might give all of these One Piece pops to Corey. Crocodile from One Piece. Already got Sabo and Bonkichi. All I need is Luffy Taro, and I'll have this complete set. He is cool. I like that. Crocodile. Alright, guys. 2 more pops. Can we get something okay? Can we get something decent? Are we gonna get nothing? Let's check it out. What we got? Nothing. It's not a protector, so nothing good. My Hero Academia, Eerie.
Dirty blue hair.
Eerie from My Hero. All right. Last pop of the unboxing. Don't think there's gonna be nothing in here, but I said that the last time and we got that Naruto. So maybe.
Go to the bathroom.
What we got? Something good? Something, maybe? And a dupe. All right. Sabo. Another dupe. All right, so out of 30 pops, I got 1 of the pictured pops. Honestly, to be real, I wasn't expecting to get, he's on the bottom. I wasn't expecting to get any. So I guess that's a positive. Undiscovered Realm, $12 anime Funko Pop mystery boxes. And here's the top hit of the whole unboxing. We had the signed Naruto 6-Path Sage. JSA authenticated. Says believe it, and Naruto with a signature in the middle. I like that pop. This pop is a cool pop. And I actually got some of the pops in this from the set on the back. So, yeah, Naruto 6-Path Sage pop. Honestly, don't know how much it's worth. Looked them up on Pop Price Guide. couldn't find an autographed version of this specific one. We could find the autographed version of the Glow, but not this one, unfortunately. So, ain't no telling how much it's worth. Hoping it's worth a pretty good amount. And, yeah. Hope everybody enjoyed the unboxing, and see y'all in the next one. Oh, I got 10 more. Don't forget about that. Peace.